Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of SchrammGuitars.com. Today I'm going to show you how I locate the bridge and pin it on a guitar. Let's go check it out. So here I have located the bridge. I've used this protractor to give me the squareness of the bridge to the center line here. I tape it on there. I've taped the bridge on. I've also clamped it. And now I am going to drill, I believe it's a 7/64 size, almost like 2.8 millimeters, hole here and on the other side. I've already drilled the other one, but I'm going to show you that process of actually drilling this. So after I drill it, I've located the bridge, I will now pin that with a piece of rosewood, and then I'll finish sanding up the bridge and making that flush. And then when after the finish is on and all buffed out, I glue the bridge on and it'll locate perfectly with those pins. So I've got my 7/64 bit, around 2.8 millimeters. I'm going to use the hole that's already in the bridge. And now I'm just going to drill through it. There we go. Now that I've made the holes in the soundboard for the bridge, I'm now going to glue this dowel in there for the pins, and then I'll do the finish sanding in the trough here. Now these I make from cutoffs from the bridges using this metal plate. And see these holes? What I do, the piece is originally square, and I hammer it through this hole. So once I do that, this piece, which once was square, went through that hole, and after I do it a bunch of times, I get this nice little dowel, old school dowel making plate. All right, so now I'm going to glue these in, and in the next part of this segment, you'll see those in the bridge. All right, so here's the bridge. The pins are installed. And next, time to apply the finish to the bridge. And now the bridge is located on the top of this guitar. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how I put the pins on my bridge and pin them to the soundboard of the guitar. Until next time, bye.